Hello students, good morning. Today we will read chapter 5, the Samit Within. Okay, check in your book. Yesterday I have taught you the page number, I think 78 from here. Consider a typical climb. Okay, consider a typical climb towards the summit on the last height. Okay, if someone who want to conquer on at the top of the mountain, they have to consider, okay, the toppest height. Okay, you are sharing a rope with another climber. Okay, if you are climbing on the top of the mountain, you shares your rope to another climbers. Okay, you form in and you will be rigid for that. Okay, he cuts the steps in the hard ice. Okay, and those who climb at the top of the mountain, they have to cut the ice rocks in the way. It means he crossed that rocks easily. Okay, then he belayed का मतलब क्या होता है, फिक्स a rope. Then he belayed and you inch your way out, means you fix your rope there. Okay, and from that ropes you can climb up the top of the mountain. Okay, so this is very difficult task to clip your rope. Okay, the climb grim means hard. Okay, the grim you strain every nerve as you take every okay step. Means if you are climbing up the mountain, your bones, your muscles became very tired. Okay, famous climbers have left record of the help given to other, and those who are famous climber, they made their record. Okay, to help to help the other people in the way when they were climbing at the top of the mountain. Okay, they have also recorded how they needed just that help. Means they recorded at what time the climber need help. Okay, else they might have given up. Otherwise if the climber who want to climb at the top of the mountain without the helping of the others, they have to go now from there. Okay, breathing difficult when you climb at the top of the mountain. Okay, then the breathing will be very difficult when you achieve your destination. Okay, on the mountain. Okay, you curse yourself for having let yourself in forward. Means you will be you feel very sad when you climb at the top of the mountain. Okay, so let yourself, you wonder why you ever underlook the scene, do you know, means climb, and you always think why you are climbing at the top of the mountain. Okay, there are moments when you feel like going back. Suppose that if you are climbing, the situation come in the way when you are in the middle of the climb. Okay, suppose that if you are feeling very tired, then you felt I have to return from there. Okay, I would be sheer relief to go down instead of up. Means from that moment you want to return from there. Okay, because there is a steer relief. Okay, चट्टान जिसे कहते हैं. But almost at once you snap out of that mood. But when you think your destination is to climb at the summit, then you forget everything to return back. Okay, there is something in you that does not let you give up the struggle, and something happening in your mind not to stop your struggle in the middle. Okay, and you go on. That's why you continue your journey to climb at the summit. Okay, your companion keeps you with you. Okay, your companion keeps you with you. Okay, your companion and you both move forward all together. Okay, just another 50 feet means if you goes at the top of the mountain 50 feet or 100 feet maybe. Okay, you ask yourself, is there no end? When you are moving uh, towards the summit, you always ask your friend, isn't in our destination? Okay, सपोज दैट आप कहीं जा रहे हैं तो आप उनसे पूछते हैं कि भाई साहब अभी कितनी दूरी है, कितना समय लगेगा. सो दिस काइंड्स ऑफ इंसिडेंट हैड हैपनिंग विद यू एंड दोज हु वांट टू क्लाइंब एट द टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन दे आल्सो feel these kinds of happening. Okay, you look at your companion and he also at you, means at that time when you lost your temper, okay, you lost your moral. Okay, then you look to your partner, sorry, you look to your companion. Okay, साथी होता है and companion looks to you. Okay, you draw inspiration from each other, and you can get inspiration in the way from your friend and friend get inspiration to you. Okay, and then without first being aware of it, you are at the summit. And following these kinds of tendency and these kinds of incident, soon you will be at the top of the mountain. So these kinds of incident always happen everyone's life. Okay, if before you start your work. Okay, looking round from the summit, you tell yourself that it would worthwhile. Suppose that you looking around to the summit, you always tell yourself this is worthwhile. Suppose that if you are doing any work, first you have to think this is important for me. If you are thinking this is not important for me, then you will not do the work carefully. Okay, other silvery peaks appear through the cloud, and from there you will only see the silvery clouds. Okay, if you are lucky, the sun may be on them. If you are lucky, then the sun will shone at top of you in the way. Okay, the surrounding peaks looks like a jewel necklace around the neck of your summit. And after some moment, if you see your friend, the neck covered with the silvery eyes. Okay, it's were looking just like a necklace. Okay, below you see vast valley sloping into the distance, and you can see the vast valley downside of the mountain. Okay, it is an ennobling, enriching experience to just look down from the summit of a mountain. Suppose that if you are at the top of the summit, from there you will ennobling means udarta banana and enriching experience, and you will enrich your experience. Okay, means you can increase your experience to climb at the top of the summit. Okay, just look down and you will see the distance. There will be a steep valley. Okay, you go down and make our obeisance. Okay, to whichever god you worship. Correct, you go down and make our obeisance obeisance means honor. Suppose that if you do your work, then you obey your gods, you worship your god. ओ भगवान, मेरी सहायता आपने किया है, इसके कारण से ये सही हो गया. सो इफ यू कंप्लीट योर जर्नी, you thanks to God. Okay, to complete your journey. Okay, I left on Everest a picture of Guru Nanak. So the writer left a picture of Guru Nanak at the top of the summit. Rawat, his friend, left the picture of goddess Durga. Okay. Fu Dorji left a relics, means ashes, relics of the Buddhas, and Edmund Hillary had buried a cross under the cairn, means heap of the stone, okay, in the snow, means the crossbow means Christians. Fu Dorji, Edmund Hillary buried a crossbow under the rocks at the top of the mountain. Okay, these are not symbols of conquest but reverence. So these are not the symbol of conquest. Means if you keep these kinds of things at the top of the summit, these are not the symbols of conquest. It is only the problem of reverence, means आदर सम्मान की भावना. Only this is the reverence by which you are able to climb at the top of the mountain. Understood? The experience of having climbed to the summit change you completely. Means the experience of having climbed the summit change you completely. Means if you want to climb at the top of the mountain and you climbed up there, then you will fully change yourself. Okay, there is another summit, it is within yourself. Again another summit, means top, will be within yourself. Okay, what is that? It is in your own mind. The summit is in your own mind. Okay, if mind is not allowed to go out of the town to go up the mountain, you will never go there. Okay, each man carries within himself his own mountain peak. और हर एक सामान्य व्यक्ति जो अपनी माउंटेन है वो अपने साथ ढोता रहता है. मीन्स एवरी वन कैरी देयर माउंटेन at their head. Okay, he must climb it to reach to a fuller knowledge of himself. He must climb it to reach the fuller knowledge of himself. Means he must reach there if he has the fuller knowledge, if he has the correct knowledge. Suppose that if you have knowledge to solve the question, then you can solve that. If you are not able or if you are not careful, then it is not possible for you to complete your task. Okay, it is fearful and unscrabble. Okay, so that it is very fearful. Okay, and unscrabble means unarrowed, means that cannot be bent. Suppose that if you believe in yourself, then it is possible for you to success. If you are not believing in yourself, it is not possible for you to success. Okay, it cannot be climbed by anyone else. And if you want to climb at the top of the mountain, but if you are not destined, then it will not be possible for you to climb. Okay, you yourself have to do it, so that it has been done yourself only. The physical act of climbing to the summit of a mountain outside is akin to the act of climbing the mountain within. And if you want to climb at the top of the mountain, you have to climb, you have to understand, you have to understood yourself. Okay, you have to make your mind. Okay, the effect of both the climbs are the same. Both the climbs means here climbing at the top of the mountain and climb at the top of your mind. Okay, means communicate with your mind. These are the two things that are similar with each other. Whenever the mountain you climb is physical or emotional or spiritual, means if you climb at the top of the mountain, it is only your physical task. You are emotionally attracted to that and it make you spiritual. Okay, the climb will certainly change you. It teaches you much about the world and about yourself. And if you climb there, it will teach you, you will be a famous and unique person in the society. Okay, so this way you can change yourself. Okay, to climb at the top of the mountain, first you have to make your plan. You have to set up your mind to climb at the top of the mountain. So thank you, have a nice day.